Welcome to this important class. Today we are going to learn this structure. Look, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus infinitive. Okay, if you don't know what is transitive verb, I would like to tell you that transitive verb is that kind of verb that takes object. Direct object is that kind of object that is directly affected by the verb, and infinitive means to plus verb. Okay, so let us take some examples. Subject they, transitive verb wish, direct object you, infinitive to rise. Okay, so look, they wish you to rise high in life. Okay, look at this example. I don't want anyone to know the secret. Okay, so these are the example of this structure. Okay, infinitive means to plus verb. Look, they wish you to rise high in life, right? You is an object, right, plus infinitive to plus verb. So you can replace this object plus infinitive by a clause. Look, they wish that you should rise high in life, right? So look, they wish you to rise. Okay, instead of this you can use this noun clause. This is right, they wish so that you should rise high in life. This clause, subordinate clause, has come in the place of object, so this is noun clause. You can replace this noun clause by it, right? If you don't know what is clause, then I can tell you that subject plus finite verb plus extension, right? Subject plus finite verb plus extension is called clause, and noun clause is a subordinate clause, that is, it will be part of the main clause. Here main clause is they wish, and that you should rise high in life is the object of the verb wish. So that you should rise high in life is a noun clause. So object, you can replace object plus infinitive by a noun clause, right? Okay, let me take another example so that you can have clear knowledge, right? Okay, can you explain what this means? He doesn't or does not want anyone to know this secret, right? Okay, this is the sentence of the above structure. So if I write like this, he doesn't or does not want to know the secret. Look, there is a difference between these two sentences. He doesn't want anyone, this is the object, right? And to know the secret is modifying the object. However, look, here after know we have here no object, that is no noun here. to know the secret. What is the meaning of these two sentences? Okay, he doesn't want anyone to know the secret. The meaning of this sentence is like this: no one else should know the secret. No one else should know the secret, but he doesn't want to know the secret. Means he himself shouldn't know the secret. Notice, a verb without an object refers to itself, refers to the subject itself, not to somebody else. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.